What's the problem?
This dress seems bogus. I don't like it. It's bogus.
Bogus?
Yes, it is.
Now you've made a mistake, you know.
How? What did I say wrong?
Let's find out.
Welcome to Diction, Public Speaking and Etiquette, brought to you by Unique Accent. My name is Catherine Onyejiaka.
And I am Emeka Onyejiaka.
Together we are the unique couple. Today we were talking about some words and expressions people use wrongly. First, we started with bogus. Now, what's wrong with the word bogus? You said it's wrong. What's wrong with it?
It's wrong because just like you, I've heard so many people say bogus, and when they say bogus, they use it to refer to something being too big, right? Well, that is wrong. It might interest you to know that bogus has nothing to do with size. Not at all. So when you say something is bogus, it simply means that that thing is not genuine. Or you can say it is not original. It is fake. So when you say bogus, you mean something that is unreal, ingenuine, or fake. So you can simply say a fake document is
A
bogus document. You don't say something that is too big, like a cloth, is bogus. You can say the cloth is oversized
or too
big, not bogus. So you've learned something new, right? Take note once again, a bogus document is a document that is not real, or you can say a forged document. All right? Good. So what you've just learned is nothing but a tip of the iceberg compared to what we have for you. What?
Tip of the iceberg is wrong. That's another wrong expression.
Oh my.
You don't say something is a tip of the iceberg when you have something good waiting to happen. A tip of the iceberg means something bad waiting to happen. So let's assume you're giving a speech or you're comparing an event, and then you say, oh, what you just watched is a tip of the iceberg compared to what we have in stock for you. That is wrong. It means you have disaster waiting for them. That's it. A tip of the iceberg means disaster, a disaster waiting
to happen.
Just like a tip of the iceberg. An iceberg breaking is a disastrous experience, right? So when a tip falls, you know that the iceberg as a whole is about to collapse, and that is a disaster. So you don't say a tip of the iceberg for something good waiting to happen, all right? It should be for something disastrous waiting to happen. So you can say the flood we experienced in April is a tip of the iceberg compared to what we should be expecting in June if the government does not intervene. I said intervene, not intervene.
Yeah.
So that's it. What other word do we have for this episode?
The last word we'll be talking about in this episode is spelled T-O-U-T. Tout. Yes, when most people hear the word tout, there is something that comes to their mind, you know?
Like a hoodlum. That's
Yeah,
what
like
people
a
think
hoodlum.
tout is.
Yeah. So when you say tout, a tout is totally different from a hoodlum. Okay? A hoodlum could sometimes play the role of a tout. Yes, no doubt.
Sometimes.
Yes. But it doesn't mean when you say tout, you mean a hoodlum. So now, what is the meaning of tout?
Tout means to promote, talk about, or advertise something or someone repeatedly in order to convince people to buy that idea. That is what touting means, to tout. All right, so you can tout a ticket, you can tout an idea. As long as you are trying to convince people to buy that idea or to buy that product, you are touting it. Now let's use tout in a sentence. The politician touted his idea for a very long time until it was passed into law. You understand how you can use tout now. You can also say, she touted her product until I had no choice but to buy. Tout means to persistently tell someone or convince someone to accept something.
You can say to promote something.
To promote something.
Sure.
So that is what tout is. A tout is not just a hoodlum or a hooligan, alright? That is the meaning of tout. I hope you have learned 1, 2, 3 things today. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever we post a new video. My name is Catherine Nyejiaka and he is
Emeka Onyejiaka.
For now, it's goodbye.